22,935 is where we'll end the day at. It's going to be a down day. And of course, off the highs by quite a bit. The high for the day today was 23,110, actually 23,125 in the morning, and actually on Friday as well. Is the trend line resistance. This is basically from joining the highs of January 24, March 24, and April 24 as well. So it's a upward sloping trend line. And today, it almost exactly fell short by 5 points basically. Got to that level, which is 23,125, and then saw a very sharp reversal. Of course, that touch happened a little before 12 noon, and the market sort of dipped and dipped. Banks did, of course, much better, about 0.7% higher on the Nifty Bank, and the mid-cap and small-cap parts of the market also did much better. Solid 0.75% to 0.8% gains. Although market breadth, I must say, was a little weaker, with more down than what was up. Prima.
Well, in the frontline pack, ITC and Reliance Industries. On ITC, there are certain calls coming for shareholders to vote against the demerger of the hotel business. So ITC was under pressure, and Reliance Industries sold off nearly 1%. A couple of these auto names too were ended deeply in the red, particularly Eicher Motors and M&M. Though outside of the index, you had Exide and Ashok Leyland reacting positively. Pharma names were up and about, whether it's Divis Laboratory, Torrent Pharma, or Aurobindo Pharma. Adani Ports reversed some of Friday's losses, and IT came off from the highs, but you still managed to close up in the green with 0.5% rally.
That's true, but I mean, the mid-cap market is where the excitement was still intact, though large caps cooled off. I mean, look at the way stocks have ended. Ashok Leyland, 8% up after strong management commentary. Glenmark Pharma, 8.5% on the higher side. Then more names. I mean, JBM Auto, 8%. Finolex Cables has put on another 16% today. So some tremendous moves out there in the mid-cap market. Nazara Tech, it's just fascinating. The company's numbers, you can argue, were just about okay. But the management commentary is what the stock latched on to. Company talking about a lot of M&A, a lot of strategic changes, 11% up on Nazara. And then, of course, the PSUs can't end without talking about them. So IOB, UCO Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank, very strong day for PSU banks, specifically PSU banks, and of course the power financiers as well. So that's the end of play on Monday. The large cap screen fizzling out in terms of the gains, but the mid caps not having a bad day really to end things. With that, we will call it curtains on Closing Bell. Thank you very much for being with us, but don't go anywhere because Markets Forward will take the action ahead.